What's up, everybody? Dynamite_41 here. Just reporting for duty. Currently at work right now on a Sunday. Yes, I am working Sundays. I'm trying to get a better sleep schedule going. So far, I've been oversleeping, I feel like, which is a good thing. But currently at work right now, as you can tell, I am not at my home, but will be eventually by the end of the day. And I just wanted to let y'all know that GameStop earnings is going to be coming this Tuesday. We're about, 48 hours or so away from the earnings, give or take, and I'm super excited about it. Q1 earnings of 2025 are going to beat Wall Street expectations, in my opinion, only because of not only the Bitcoin buys, but the whole structure of the business as a whole, making money and making all of these sales from pre-ordered Nintendo Switch 2s, but also just, we've PSA graded over 1 million cards. That's fantastic. And the partnership is just helping them even more with the collectible side of things. But we're still selling video games, still selling video game consoles. We still have stores. People are still lining up for stuff at GameStop. That culture isn't dead. If anything, GameStop, the new management, if you will, aka Ryan Cohen, aka the rest of the board of directors, brought that back to life. Now people are probably going to start camping out for other launches in the future, like the new Xbox, new PlayStation, Grand Theft Auto 6 when it eventually comes out. And you know what? GameStop just might rock it before Grand Theft Auto 6 comes out, but who knows? All I know is I feel good about the investment that I'm in, and it is just a beautiful Sunday today, and the market's opening tomorrow. We have a full week ahead of us, and who knows what's going to happen. Could we tank tomorrow before earnings on Tuesday is announced? That could be a possibility. Can we go up leading into earnings and then tank after earnings? Anything is possible. Regardless, I'm an investor and I buy at least a share a day. Run-ups or when it comes down. Sometimes when it comes down, I like to double down. I used to get so overwhelmed and frustrated when it would come back down in price action, and it would just be almost degrading to a sense. But now that I've been investing for years upon end, now it feels like, now I'm just like, oh, another buying opportunity for us to run up, because we're eventually going to go up. Our fundamentals, our purchases of Bitcoin, our overall cash on hand that we can grow over time is just, it's endless, the possibilities that we could do with all of that stuff. And GameStop is virtually in zero debt. So I'm not bearish on this stock whatsoever. I am bullish. If the price action comes down short term, like everyone says it's going to, with the whole market, shifting the direction it's supposed to be shifting, which is towards the downside technically, I'm with it. Whatever. Let's keep on buying more GameStop, because we've been at points like this where we dip down and then we go up. And, ain't nothing stopping me or scaring me from investing into this stock. I've seen a lot of FUD on the internet about GameStop lately, whether it be on Twitter, on YouTube, or on Reddit even. And, just not before the earnings report, not before we beat Wall Street expectations for a fourth quarter in a row now, if we do it, which I feel good about doing. And then we just continue building the company as valuable or more valuable. It's just that it's undervalued at the moment, but that's all right. Eventually people will turn the tables. Some people are already turning the tables because institution buying has increased over time, and us, me, you, retail investors, we're all still buying. Not all of us, I guess, but a lot of us that have been here for so long are. And I feel good about the future. So there's that. Hope everyone has a great rest of their Sunday. I'm going to work for a little bit, and we'll see how things go. Probably good, more than likely. It's how I live, baby. Peace out, everybody.